Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to purchase Zoho Books. So let's get started. So you have to log in with your credentials in zohobooks.com, and once you are in, you will see a subscribe button at the top right side. So you just have to click on that. You will see different subscription plans. Take a moment to compare the features, then choose the plan that best fits your need. Now, once you have decided to take that plan, click on the upgrade button, enter your payment details if it is a paid plan, or confirm if you are starting with a free trial. Double check your details and then compare the purchases. You will receive a confirmation email with your subscription details and setup instructions. And that's it, you have successfully purchased Soho Books and are ready to manage your finance more efficiently. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.